ebusian for aha Ghana Send TV GH message or like comment subscribe turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded ebusian for NPP as a new patriotic party you know say Ayɛka is not in a good place, very very good place. As a beautiful party that's the only party our political tradition Ghana now. NPP has suffered one of the biggest defeats, electoral defeat how do you call it? Existence more in 2024. Now, after that defeat, NPP as a party has been trying so hard, say, rebranding, correcting one or two mistakes, now, Pagana Fonso Acho, now, another opportunity at power. Because power there a very important President Kufuor say, a better say obey a gate man, our political party be our power more, saying obey general secretary our political party be our position. Now, in the build up to this, and they back NPP for mistakes and partner say we did not pay attention to our communications and in the media. I say, neglecting media and any communication. If you want to blame people, you will find people to blame. But I believe also say, and yet the piano, blaming shifty blame there. Sometimes we must all come to the realization say, one way or the other. Ebia go for people approach, ebia muso mubae betu abana, ebia yen lose. Ebi muso anka mudi musika ema niye, ema nkrofo use ye, edi campaign anka yen lose. And we all share a responsibility. Our NPP defeat aye 2024. Now, back to the media conversation. And for by 2025 now. Omo target say ebeye MPP pro MPP radio station TV stations in there. Omo close omo down. And omo start here with Wontimi. So see Ayɛka no Wontimi FM ni TV. Omo ni live view. Sam George we using it to me. A shati Wontimi TV ni FM no down. Aka Movement TV pe. Now outside Movement TV, almost all other radio and TV stations, who say there be, I say, Omunka government, Bonibia government, no, I say Omun here.
And the NPP susu riboso say, and na yaman the kwine, adanya, MDC abai, will be haircut. And so haircut, no one haircut, we na cratch. First haircut, of course, for Ghana. NPP are buying a man haircut.
And it's not surprising because NDC for by first year, allocate 78 million Ghana cedis for communication in media. Felix Fosu Kwache. And if I can do na for paying Nkrofo to keep quiet about whatever government is doing. And you can say about no traditional media anymore. So far, only Movement TV and a Kasa. And I say a year campaign for NPP. Now, one of the other stations, Anka, the NPP was really relying on say, almost a Movement TV to sell the message of the new patriotic party and to expose this incompetent government. Netu New Man FM. Now, Netu New Man FM, they belong to a era on our working in Japan. Strangely, after a year ordinary Japan defeat, 31st January, over a month now, I said net 2, any Oman FM, Oma for post chabia, it has not augured well with the rank and file of the new patriotic party. Say, ke honorable Kennedy or here Japan, ni net 2 new Oman FM, Omunamu defended John Mahama Abain. Net 2, Oman FM. Defending Mahama Abain. Net 2 Oman FM to make us say, NPP for no, any rights to be complaining. So say, yen, Yangaveni Ghana ye. Now, Obian to make us say, Adia is seen, what the advice is going on there too. Ye papa can Japan him who she. Won't me kasase. It's not possible. It is not possible. Media. Me jin tum da say netu journalists because obekaya there was this guy now yeah I think Buenly Pent or so net two some time ago. How can Japan can say on one a pam guy as a guy no kokasati adota mamudu baum. She said, oh, sad to me. Say bibi cause one net two and koya. Wait me up higher and sack. And she say about the saying how can Japan it may join net two for say they are misbehaving on the scale at which we are seeing it. And now American Japan has not come to terms with the fact say ebia NPP eto ahene na esi ahene for did not want him say as flag bearer and the person say party like it's not enkoyi like entry you're the best if you cannot be good losers our party name I say anytime elections pay I say obi tin home frame and you say oh there be that's not the essence of the party ebusianfo answer na be coordinate to a video ni mo na ebusianfo Ghana Sem TV GH be studio fufuro e wo water region na yeah total budget no 25,000 Ghana cedis we dey ba kind of say dollars mo be almost $2,300 mo na be boa ye na it mean this studio because e be boa ejuma ayeye be boa any patriotic party too enti wa person donate funds bi no number no ene wa hai e betu afa number no wa send that was say that money nasi bebre don't go anywhere the conversation about net two happiness I'll see you in the next one cheers
and NPP susu huri boso say na yema ne kwan adan ya NDC abai am obi haircut enso so haircut no na ya haircut mu nyina krache first haircut e course wo Ghana ha NPP abai na ma haircut edikan.
So for some days now, a lot of people tag me on net 2 new man FM. Or mo post on my Facebook. A big crowd the videos send me on WhatsApp. I say net 2 new man FM I attack MPP or more cancel ever MPP. Me, answer no. Near me person me kafa ho way simple. Send net 2 new man FM be attack MPP. So more attack MPP me ya opuku. Enya masem. Send net 2 new man FM. Omo be campaign man NDC so omo nye campaign man NDC me emfa me ho kene Japan pa na tu ni o man FM on dedicating ni say NDC government no omo official mouthpiece omo nye campaign man NDC omo pa omo nkoto aba man NDC me ya poku enye masem na enye masem ehu hia me ene say me ma famu die aye say me yeboa Dr. Baomia ni MPP me ye na ma ye ni yi na ye effective and resourceful SNE na tu ni o man FM for be that is me focus that is me adie da makoma so a esi mani so a me ye me gine ho nti ni obi be ye o so emfa me ho but the point that I want to make forcefully in say in 2028 Dr. Baomia be win elections no and not even Satan's grandfather can stop it or prevent it. No. Obi anyone, me say 2029. You best way in Dr. Baomia as president of the Republic of Ghana. And can Japan and Japan for they can choose to win with us or be against us when we win. I don't know your choice. They can choose to be with us at the time I be winning and I be against us. Your choice. But I make a video we. I know I maybe can chat. I said me to be no me show. And I'm taking records. I'm taking records. Everything, every single thing. No bia me. And I'm taking records. I'm keeping records for future reference. Now that be omo yes no bi mbra se obepe bibi wo party nim ana ya ba abem. No mo hwe ne ebesi. Ehon no mo behu se some of us ya bodam. And this is to MPP penny4. Especially omo mo di Dr. Baomia chi no. Muntie ni yi. Mo de mo yemba abem. No obi nka say asumasi na obenten. Oya adwuma ti a party no. because any candidate lose ye but oye madam funti opportunity bi aba me de boa no na monhwe ne ebesi mo saafo no monhwe na monhwe ne ye the way I make that boys and baby am office a wote ye ba be yi wasi abonte ahwebo no mo be na for some say friends family and friends we or cassette party ne candidate lose ye wakogina nchen na ototo bo oba park no so but yaje power yaje to me or ya madamfo or ya me business partner or ya me one time debe or boy me brebi into opportunity bi aba me de ba be boa no opa obi a open doctor ba omi ana obi a or ya party officer na so obi a ya be man opportunity or aben next government of NPP enye sa ne enhwe. That is the point. That is the reason why I made yes video. And see, modem. Nyame ma yenkwa. Any ahoden. Aha, that is all that we pray for. Busia. Chrono asame gemfi any the good board a small scale miners e organa enya asem ketwa. You see, same gemfi run establish a good board or the core parliament, you know. Or the shemu say good board e wo to me say obeboewura wo dem aboewura wo mpase aboewura wo kem aboewura wo adwumam na se wo gold no osususu say gold no unni license say ukura gold no ana say u keep gold na 1 oma seize gold no 2 oma prosecute oma le wakugina emranim ajeli na saade ewe yehunu ye kan ye say eye embra asame gemfide ba e de aba bebo omo ye good adwuma ekro na wahya ase. We are getting reports for asame gemfi ene na pamfo use sa amra we de abom kro no omo de sisi omo good omo create false allegation no omo gina so no omo de sisi good for a wo de sa adwuma we adiom enya asem ketwa na ba ko enya akukuduro akotra radio so aka na asem me ba be yi video na kire obad mesre say we a small scale miner what to gold ton na say same gemfi ne gold board for boys are well recruit o NDC boys are well recruit o gold board omo de say adwuma we bi adi abok fro no asizi good our man fa kwan paswa keep evidence keep a receipt fi say eda aban be change no same gemfi ne NDC boys na we recruit o mo ne na monkrofo businesses omo na small scale miners ne omo to gold ton eso a omo asizi omo gold omo fa kwati kwan so jiji omo gold no all of them ya bentim good ama money are daily all of them including same gemfi no what is your video no
ana unim say me one guy bi wo ha me money dini me am jeepa young guy 32 years or Tony gold or Tony gold na same gemfi enkrofo iba na office before then na on lances no nya 2 billion goje lances enti na ode o work under obi lances enti shop na wo no same gemfi asoma sebe ne nkrofo ise monko ho na monko cha blanti moko ya mo de old lances na brand ndi ye adwuma na on lances no e na call no office na mo ko do office wo no mo che no no say eja enya sa lances wo no na me de ye adwuma ena dia me ankasa matumi akotua more than 2 billion bi mo lances eni o say no ye ba no trimpon say ye ba be hwe ola e ba be hwe lances a wo de ye adwuma ne say no lances are all the lances am de adwuma shop we no me mfa nya adwuma bi intime obsi da bi da omache boy ne coin gold omo fire titisika no 14 billion 1.4 million Ghana cedi me no ka say boy na ko eye enkran over 2 weeks kwaniaba aye de beye ontumi retrieve 1 cedi mpo enti emlanti bebre no madwuma bom emlanti bebre no matofo ma na ukọ western regional a lot of boys out of form team because same gemfi na pamfo say on lances or your lances or processing him ya beche no omu tumi chi obi di ne court na o de na kono sebe nipa na wo che no na wo say all lances ne mu anase on lances anase process no onwie ye onya lances na waje ni gold no sebe kemam kabi mem ne wo enya ndisi man eye kabi mam kabi man ena ndisi ni same jamfi di so enti wo di na court no what you over 100,000 and sana all retrieve half of 2 million Ghana cedis mojeye court no emu asem no watumi retrieve half 1 million Ghana cedis moji 2 billion and in gold in sika mosesa boom owie ye no wakọ court was 6 times Sami Jamfi gold board NC court order more prosecuting Crawford ne say gold buyers no emfa kwa papa so see de na yewura Ayɛka o hwa momu ni sika amode be ma wo Oma wo musika om di to good babaje lances obeje wi a oma ne sa sponsor minus mom kofa gold no de ba ehun sem bebre e dia ye nyansa kro no na Sami Jamfi any NDC bo Ghana for na gold buyers no ne minus no unia bebre out of form because of Sami Jamfi
ubone so man be say a otimu bi yenuan mu Ghana for no yenia ka Ashanti region mentu aba ene on se tembia papa bia no de o man na japade amani nuahwe mitie ba akono o ka se o de o man na japade nyina contract mani nua na ye machine de titi gotam nyina no o ye de na onua ni din na titale ho na do mo by both side na wa de ni nyina amani nua and o sa be di ade the same thing and so kwa benya nipa bia me na ta na chi so woni sika dada ade na otamom ko opposition no want man talk pray no amia hu se wo opposition de obi anu ni asem umbedi ade a na nkoto ka emema mamamfo no mo ye dai omukeka ka mamfo anu tumu ne Ghana asofofo ankanya asofofo amkuta baabura ka mukojina so da ma mbeka nyansa sem aka ayam obi hu se asofofo de munye ayin surface no ne Ghana asofofo ko jina so le dem a omusu ye tribalism uko kan se mpe obenye obi amna ata achi so what matter $70 million e dey akoto pray enti di adwuma na we ya unya $70 million no ndi Ghana me pacho ye ni omu hwehwe amanfo account hu se sika se na nipa no wo ana ilopia sei enti mazel obi betu se sika no akoto se prayer ye hu ni sika wa ye dey o woda na account enu ai papa aye we me adwuma me ye no afidura unzem go declare sika mi di eseka iya no bia me nya $20,000 ilozo a na se mi je 22,000 ilozo a mi ko dik afidura mi ko declare sika no e ma aban hu se sika se na age ye 2,000 ilozo na beda aso no se mi je 20,000 2,000 na beda aso no mi tua ma aban mi tua ma aban udo buso mi nimba bia wo so Ghana na wa buso bi o wo elo say say oji 20,000 na 25,000 let's talk oji 27,000 ubetua ma aban enti Ghana for skafo no enti wam na hwe o maka no mu bebom du mu sika mu sika firi so obi atimanya $70 million akoto play abra onua no opposition de wanto ne ba so ne ba bi osu onya adwuma bia onya $150,000 e da koma Anthony Joshua abra Ghana ya obo se adwuma na esi mu ni ho aikote mu ni ho a betima chese ska ndi ama wo mu so mu do mmahwe bi ya timanya da koma nso ko ka benya gimifo bi no wata na kite opapa wo ska ndi no wontim fanye de oye ana opanyini Ghana yenie ni panu an yete wo ma no ebise nipa no opa de NDC na se NDC eya ade na nya obese kira ka se de NDC ya nya no no support sa na obi 1PP na se NPP ya ade na nya also no oyede or support the NPP and enye on the mpanimfo no so kan obi NPP fo mpanimfo no omu nyina aka obi na ma we nyina yede on the nanado be Ghana ne oman no ata ko le tikura oman na tikura so mu pedo kono
Richard, online no atwo. Gina ye me kakra. Aha, yankasa yeti, waba, yankasa.
Me say, they say me ko am obi so abem npa no am so dos na manfo so enye dey. Atu ma so bi na. Ne e be say system bia so do benya dey.